Welcome to the introduction on the importance of data in today's world. Data is everywhere, and businesses thrive on it. From customer insights to market trends, data drives decisions. SQL, a powerful language for managing data, is essential. Mastering SQL, particularly data import and export, is crucial for anyone working with databases. Now let's delve into importing data into SQL databases, a beginner's guide. Importing data is the lifeblood of any database. It allows us to populate our tables with information from various sources. The statement in SQL is a simple yet powerful tool for this task. It's particularly useful for importing data from CSV files, a common format for storing data. Let's illustrate with an example. Imagine you have a CSV file named customers.csv containing customer data. You can import this data into a table named customers using the statement. The basic syntax looks like this. SQL load data in file. Customers CSV into table customers fields terminated by. Enclosed by lines terminated by n. This statement tells SQL to load data from the customers.csv file into the customers table. It specifies that fields are separated by commas, enclosed in double quotes, and lines are terminated by new line characters. The statement is highly customizable. You can specify different delimiters, character sets, and even handle errors during the import process. This flexibility makes it an invaluable tool for importing data from a wide range of sources. While the statement is incredibly useful, SQL offers other methods for importing data. One common approach is using the statement. This statement allows you to insert data row by row, giving you granular control over the import process. For instance, to insert a new customer into the customers table, you would use the statement like this. SQL insert into customers, customer ID, first name, last name, email, values, 101 John Doe, john.doe@example.com. This statement inserts a new row into the customers table with the specified customer details. While effective for small data sets, inserting data row by row can become cumbersome for larger data sets. Another powerful technique is using bulk import tools provided by database management systems, DBMS. For example, SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, offers a convenient import wizard that guides you through the process of importing data from various formats, including CSV, Excel, and XML. These tools often provide advanced features like data transformation and validation, making them suitable for complex data imports. Section 4. Exporting data from SQL databases, methods, and formats. Exporting data from SQL databases is crucial. It allows us to share data, analyze it, or create backups. SQL provides various methods and formats for exporting data. One method is using the select into outfile statement. For example, select asterisk from customers into outfile customer data CSV. Another approach is using the bulk copy program BCP utility. BCP, select asterisk from customers query out customer data CSV. Section 5. Choosing the right tools for data export. Beyond SQL commands, numerous tools and methods facilitate data export. Spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets can directly connect to databases and import data. This approach offers a user-friendly way to retrieve and analyze data within a familiar interface. Business intelligence, BI, tools like Tableau and Power BI also excel at connecting to SQL databases and visualizing data. These tools provide powerful dashboards and reporting capabilities, making it easier to derive insights from your data. The choice of tool depends on the specific requirements of your task. For simple data exports to CSV or Excel, SQL commands or spreadsheet software might suffice. For complex data transformations, analysis, or visualization, dedicated BI tools offer more advanced capabilities. Section 6. Mastering data. Import and export, your gateway to enhanced SQL skills. Mastering data. Import and export in SQL unlocks a world of possibilities. You can effortlessly populate your databases with information from various sources, analyze data using different tools, and share insights with others. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate SQL user, understanding these techniques is essential for enhancing your database management skills. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try importing data from different file formats. Explore various export options and tools. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in handling data within your SQL databases. Remember, data is only as valuable as your ability to access and utilize it effectively.